like burgers and football. And of course, a good beer doesn't hurt. Yikes! Smoke detector! What now? I know. The broom! Come on, stop chirping. I'll just tear it down. Hi, Antonio.
Hi, Tom. Hey man, don't hurt yourself. I heard your smoke alarm going off, and it's never a good idea to disable or remove the smoke detectors in your home. I mean, look, they're there for you and your family's protection. Anytime you got an issue with a smoke detector, first thing you gotta do is remove the smoking item from the heat source. Then, turn that source off and cover the pan to limit excess smoke. You should also turn on the vent hood above the heat source.
Well, I did turn off the stove burner.
Good. Now cover or remove the source of smoke and see if you can find something like a pizza box or a magazine to fan out the smoke. I'll go and open the window to further clear the room. Be sure to test your smoke detectors regularly by pressing the test button to hear the loud chirping sound it should make in the event of smoke. A smoke alarm with a high-pitched, consistent chirp when no smoke is present is generally a reminder that the battery needs to be replaced. A smoke alarm that has a random chirp is an indication of a possibly defective smoke detector. In this case, call California Oaks Property Management so one of our team members can address it promptly.